Renati has reintroduced the fingerprint scanner to make it faster to unlock your device. To set it up, go to Settings, Security and Privacy, Device Unlock, and select Fingerprint. Type in your password to gain access. Review the details and select I agree. Click Start and follow the prompts to scan your finger. This will require you to use multiple positions and angles. When prompted, select Done. As an added security measure, Renati requires you to unlock your device with your regular password at a specific interval. You can change this period by going back to the Security and Privacy screen. Select More Security and Privacy, then Fingerprint Timeout. You can now choose between 2, 6, 8, or 12 hours. Make your selection and you're all done. If you're within your set interval, you can unlock your device with your fingerprint. Follow us for more Renati tips and make the most of your secure, trusted companion.